You lie in the dark, mind running circles like a carousel you can't get off. Overthinking feels endless, every thought looping back, whispering what ifs. It's like being tangled in vines that thicken each time you try to escape. The more you struggle, the tighter those thoughts pull you in. But knots can be undone with care. Tonight, let's find one loose end, the start of unwinding that stubborn spiral in your mind. Begin here. Breathe in slowly, counting to 4. Let the air linger. Imagine each inhale softening tangled thoughts just for a moment. When a thought resurfaces, don't fight it. Picture it as a leaf drifting by on a quiet stream, nothing to chase, just something to notice. Name what's bothering you softly, like whispering secrets in the dark. Giving shape to the mess makes it feel less wild. Now ask yourself, is this worry a fact, a feeling, or just a story spun from old fears? Sorting them eases their grip. If the spiral pulls hard, ground yourself. Find 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch. Anchor your mind in the textures of now. Bring your attention to your body, your heartbeat, the rise and fall of your chest. Let your senses become guide ropes back to solid ground. If your thoughts return, treat them like passing clouds. Watch gently, not grabbing, not judging. Clouds always drift on. Jot down your worries on paper. Don't edit, just let them spill. Sometimes turning thoughts physical shrinks them down to their real size. Remind yourself, every spiral has a place where it ends. For tonight, it's enough to pause, breathe, and rest easy, knowing you've loosened one more knot. Overthinking can feel lonely, but you're not alone. Everyone tangles their minds sometimes. It's a quiet human truth.